Hey guys, it's Vanity, and so today I'm going to be doing today I'm going to be doing a slime. It's just like a little clear, cute slime. I'm pretty sure my sister got it from a slime kit, so let's do it. Okay, so here's the slime. And this is the easier slime. I like it because, oh gosh. Just a bit psycho, a little bit psycho. Ooh. I've been getting high. Okay, let's see if I can do this real. Yeah, I don't want to lie. Don't want to be surprised. You can't even fly. It's clear. Let me see if I can show you. It's clear. Oh my gosh. This camera's so bad. I'm gonna run back to me. Sorry for that. So here it is. It's clear. As you can see, it's clear. Pretty clear. Oh my hand. There.